Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off passcode on Trust Wallet. First you just need to open your Trust Wallet application, then you just need to enter the passcode that you have set for the security method of your Trust Wallet account. Now you can just tap on this gear icon at the top left corner. Here it is, you can find it. Now from here you can just go to the security, and from here you just need to enter the passcode for the verification. And from here, if you want to turn off the passcode on Trust Wallet, then you just need to tap on this toggle button for once, and it will ask for the passcode for verifying you. If it's verified that you want to turn off the passcode and you have entered the correct passcode, the previous passcode, so it will easily turn off the passcode on your Trust Wallet application. So if you enter your Trust Wallet application each and every time, it won't ask for the passcode, but it causes some insecurity. It can be result a hassle on your account, or everyone can actually access your wallet without any type of hassle or security. So I recommend to turn on the passcode on your Trust Wallet. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.